How to create a birthday poster in Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Canva application. Now the next thing would be going to the left hand side of your screen and clicking on create a design. Now you want to scroll over to the part where you see custom size is at the left hand side of your screen. And then guys, we are going to be imputing 100 on width and also 100 on height, and then you want to create design. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to elements, and then you want to go to the search bar and type in frames. Now you want to type in see all on frames, and then guys, you want to select the most suitable frame for you. Now my frame came with an outer color, so I'll just go ahead to change that into the theme of this poster, which is pink, and then I'll be tapping on upload to upload the picture I would like to input into this frame. So I'll tap on my picture and then I'll drag it into the frame. Now you want to head over to elements again, and then over there at the search bar you're going to be typing happy birthday. Now the next thing is for you to tap on see all on graphics, so we can see the different happy birthday writings that they have. So I'm just simply going to choose the one that suits my theme, and then I'll tap on it. And I also went ahead to change the color of this because I wanted my write-ups to be in black, so I changed it into black. Now we want to head back to elements, and then over there at the search bar we're going to be typing curved lines. And then I went to graphics and selected the curved line that I wanted. I reduced it in size and placed it in the position that I wanted. Now I went over to text, and then guys, I added a subheading, and then I went ahead to type in my celebrant's name. Now I did not like the font type this came with, so I went ahead to change the font type into what I would like. So I saw something really nice when we earlier typed curved line, so I went back to elements, typed in curved line, and then I went to graphics to search for it. Now this is it, and it can serve as a background, so I'm just going to adjust this to suit my page. Now I went to the top of my screen and then I clicked on transparency, and I reduced that transparency so this can look more natural. Now to continue working on this page, I have to send this particular background to the back. Now if not, it will be covering the rest of the elements on it. So what you simply do is to click on the three dots when highlighted. Now you're going to go to where you see layers and then tap on send to the back. Now I went back to elements and then I typed in celebrations. I wanted something birthday more. And then guys, I was looking for something that has shine to it because I wanted this particular poster to pop. So I found what I was looking for and then I added it. Now I'm going to make this match the theme of this poster. So this has three colors. I just went ahead to change them into things that are pink related, and then went ahead to increase the size a bit just to suit my preference. And I also went to the top of my screen and clicked on transparency and then reduced it so this can also look more natural, just like the background. And then I went ahead to duplicate this because I actually wanted it to be on the other side of the poster. And now I just wanted a little short note on this poster, so I went to my text and then I added one. Now I typed in what I would like, wishing you many more happy years, and this was it. Then went ahead to change the font type and the font size of this to suit my poster. And then I went back to elements and typed in frames, and then I imputed the frame of my choice. I reduced the size of this particular frame. Now I went ahead to give it a color so it can suit the theme of this particular poster. I gave it pink, and then I went ahead to duplicate this particular frame because I wanted it in two. Then I also chose to change the color of this also so they can all suit the theme. I reduced the size to fit in well into the first frame I created, and then I went over to text and I added a subheading and then changed that into the age Jenny will be turning. And I also didn't like the font size and the font type, so I increased the font size, and then I went to the font type and then I changed it. And I wanted to add a little shine to it because she's a girl. I went back to my elements, typed stars, and then guys, I chose the star that suits my taste. Now I went ahead to reduce the size of this star. And then I also changed the color to suit this poster. Now this is how easy it is to create a birthday poster in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.